Hey, thanks for clicking into this video. Today we're going to be talking about how to get people to actually pay for shipping, even though you offer free shipping. It is a psychological thing, so don't think too hard about this. I've already done all the research for you. All you have to do is implement what's going on, and you should be fine. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope you enjoy the video. Hey, welcome to this video in the Shopify training series. Today, we will be creating your shipping settings in your Shopify store. Before we get into the shipping settings, I want to talk about a psychological effect we're going to be using inside of our shipping strategy. It's called price anchoring. Price anchoring refers to using different price points and features to make one seem like the ideal option to our customer. Please note that while I want the customer to pay for shipping, we must offer free shipping as an option. If there are no free shipping options, this little trick does not work. Amazon and Walmart can offer free 2-day shipping or even 1-day shipping. You have to be able to offer free shipping, especially if it's going to take 3 weeks. Here's an example of price anchoring in action. You have 3 options to choose from. Option 1 is the cheapest, but it really doesn't have all the bells and whistles to it that would really make it worth buying. Option 3 is a bit overpriced and doesn't offer enough to justify the difference in price from Option 2. Option 2? Now, that's just right. This is the basis of price anchoring. Give Option 1 and make it meager but affordable. Give Option 3, make it luxurious and expensive. Make the luxury a feature that they don't want or need. Option 2 will look even more attractive as the pricing is low enough and the features robust enough that they'll actually want to buy it. It will also offer more than Option 1 in utility and value, and make the increase in price justifiable. Now that we've seen the price anchoring effect, we're going to go back over to our shipping policy and create that in our website. When I use the shipping policy, I close about 40% of people on Option 2 and 7% of people on Option 3. That's right, people pay for shipping. Go back to your Shopify admin panel and click Settings in the bottom left. Then navigate to Shipping. We need to change the rates in both zones. For me, that's the United States and the rest of the world. Now, inside of the United States zone, there are already shipping rates. We're just going to edit the rates for 3 of them and delete the rest. First, remove the condition on the first shipping rate and rename it to free shipping, then click Save. The second option, remove the condition, rename it to plus shipping, open parentheses, tracking plus insurance, close parentheses, and set the price to $4.99. Third option, remove the condition, rename it to premium shipping, open parentheses, tracking plus insurance plus 1-year warranty, close parentheses, and set the price to $7.99. That's it. That's all there is to it. Now we're going to repeat the same thing for the rest of the world. Once you add the 3 rates, delete the calculated rates at checkout. We don't want those. You'll notice that when you have to add these rates, they all add to the top of the list instead of at the bottom. I'm going to switch this around so we have the free at the top and the premium at the bottom. It just makes more sense when you're looking at it at the checkout page. That's how we add the shipping rates to our Shopify store. If you're struggling to improve your average order value or your AOV, use this trick and you should see an overall increase of about $3. Do not change the prices. This shipping strategy works because of the exact price and the features that we're showing. I have tested this policy on many different price points, many different feature points. This is the most profitable. Do not change things around. Don't think that changing it to $2.99 will increase the rate enough to justify the decrease in AOV you're going to see, because you will not get that kind of increase and get Option 3 used more. This is the perfect balance. You will see that using this rate is going to make a significant increase in your AOV. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below or find me on Facebook or Instagram. Those links will be in the description. If this video helped you at all, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more daily content on Shopify, e-commerce, advertising, and marketing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.